Hey guys, so I just want to take a second and talk to you about this NMR spectrum and how we use in mastering chemistry the ACDLAB's NMR simulator. So we're going to enter in methyl 3 nitrobenzoate. So it's this structure right here. So we don't need to know how to name esters. They've given it to us. So let's go ahead and show how to do this. So I think you can either try to look this up. I don't think that it's in the library. So we're going to enter it. And I'm just going to resize this just a little bit so that I can get my menu over here to show up. So we need to put in a ring. And then we're going to put in a carbon-carbon bond here. So we're going to pull a carbon out. That needs to be an oxygen double bound. And then we need another bond to an oxygen here. And then the methyl is a CH3 right there. And then at position 1, 2, 3, we're going to have the nitro group. So we'll start by pulling a bond to nitrogen, and then we'll get a double bond to oxygen, pull out an oxygen here, and it puts in the formal charge. And now we need to indicate that that needs to be a negative charge there. So remember, that's the structure of the nitro group. So you need to make sure you get that in there correctly. So we're going to hit submit, and it's going to do some calculations for us. And it's set right now for the carbon-13. But this question asks us for the proton NMR. So we're going to come down. We're going to click on the NMR predictor, and voila, there we have it. So we have all these positions, and you can mouse over here, right? So those are the H's that are at this position, 3.95. I think that was position 5 on our structure. And right, this was number 1. So 8.33, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Anyway, you write all of those numbers down, and then if you input them into that field right over here for this compound, that'll take care of the first row. And then you can go back, and when you go back to do the second compound, so when we go through and we want to enter in the other formula, shortcuts just to choose this. And then we can select, we can select this whole thing right here. We can erase it, and then we can just put it right over here like we did before, and fix the nitro and all that other stuff. Hit submit, and that way you don't have to redraw this whole part of the ring. That's a little shortcut there. So guys, hopefully that helps you kind of walk through how to use that tool.